The afp-300 is a cold filter plugging point tester to measure low-temperature operability of fuels. The afp-300 is compliant to various testing methods, such as JISK 2288, ASTM D6371, EN 116, EN 16329, and IP309. By using a fixed arm, the temperature sensor, detection unit, and wiring are stored in the arm. This has greatly simplified the test preparation procedures and reduced the risk of damaging glassware. The pipette can be attached and removed by one touch without detaching the filter unit. The afp-300 is equipped with a non-CFC Stirling cooler. In the previous model, an external chiller was required for cooling the instrument bath. However, this model achieves the necessary low temperatures on its own, resulting in greatly reduced bench space and environmentally friendly operation. By simply swinging the arm with the pipette and filter unit attached, the filter can be pre-washed. The number of wash cycles can be changed. Cooling sequence can be chosen from the step mode or the linear mode. In the step mode, the bath is cooled to preset temperatures stepwise. In the linear mode, the user can set a customized linear cooling rate for the bath. Set the sample and move the arm to the center. Lower the arm to testing position. Enter the expected temperature and press start. The results for the last 50 tests are automatically saved. The results can be viewed in list format or in individual windows. After a test, the filter unit can be cleaned with the pre-wash function. Data can be output via USB port or LAN port. Parts required for testing are provided as standard accessories. Tanaka is proud to present the simple, reliable, and robust afp-300 to users around the world.